Okay guys, so it's been about 5.5 hours later. I think my 3D print is done. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you'll get notified every time I put up a new video.
So there it is on the build plate. It is all set. Elegoo Mars printed it good. I will make sure that I include the print settings for this. I'm going to get that off of there and we are going to clean it up and cure it, and then we're going to do a test. Off to be cured. Okay guys, so I've gotten everything I need to do this. We take our 3D printed object. This is the plate or the watch base, and what this does is it holds the watch, and I can hold it in the upright position or the upside down position, which is really cool because I can test it in 2 positions. I was thinking of making one of these that swivels, and I may do that eventually, and if I do, I'll show you the engineering of that on the computer with Blender. But so far, what I've discovered is using my lavalier mic, we pull that out, this fits in perfectly. So I've got a nice tight fit right where I want the microphone to sit. This goes all the way down, but doesn't go through the bottom hole. So I have to make that bottom hole just a little bit larger so that it'll fit the plug on the lavalier mic. And we can see if we take that, that's 7.789 millimeters, and the plug is, we got 7.5, and just want to test this again. We got 6.6. So I got to make that hole a little bit bigger, kind of so that I can put it all the way through and have it come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my flux shaft machines and a bit to, we can bore that up a little bit. So let's get started on that. With your Dremel machine or your flux shaft machine, you're going to take it, you're going to put your bit in the head of the flux shaft or your Dremel. Make that a little bit bigger, a little bit at a time, and we're going to test it with our mic. Not quite, and we're just going to do that a little bit. And there we go. So now let's get this back up here. Everything I need. I'm going to take my cord, I'm going to put it through here, pull it out. We're just going to take the lavalier mic cord and we're going to pull it all the way through, and I'm going to push this into this base so that it is about flush with the base of the frame. One of the other reasons I made a hole here was that I can take my cord and put it through one of these holes, and now my cord is kind of out of the way and I can set my watch just like that. Cool. Now I have an iPhone, so my iPhone requires an adapter, and that is for the adapter for the headset to go into the newer phones. So I'm going to get the app running here, and I'm going to show you how this app works and why I wanted this. Okay, so there's my app. It's running. There's my base. And now this microphone will pick up the beats of this watch if all else goes good. I'm going to adjust the sensitivity if I can. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to test a different watch. I'm going to test my chronograph here, and I'm going to see how well this chronograph works. And I will put the video from the phone up online so you can see that too. Well, let's start this and be quiet. So that's why I 3D printed this. So I thought you guys might like that. It's just a little explanation of what I use to test some watches when I'm on the go. I mean, I could take this with me. It's not, a $500 piece of equipment I'm going to take a chance with taking somewhere, dropping, breaking, forgetting it somewhere. This little 3D printed base cost me, what, $1 to print and some time, and it works good with this app. This app is not perfect, but if you're a hobbyist and you want to screw around with a timing app, you could tweak this up to where you get, everything set up to time a watch. And what you want to look for is a nice horizontal line. The more it's horizontal, the more accurate the watch. I think, looking at this 50-year-old watch, within a few seconds a day, that's pretty good. I can't complain about that. This watch has been running for 50 years. This is a newer watch. It's only about a year old. And it's running, on average, 1 second a day. That's not too bad. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you can, share it, because all the sharing helps my channel grow. If you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting the subscribe button, where you'll see more videos like this, where I print more practical 3D prints and do other things to make life easier for watchmakers and jewelers. Take care. Have a good day.